Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Aylara, and my job here today is to review one very beautiful purse for you. The purse that I'm gonna review is YUZEFI Taco Mini, and every time when I'm purchasing something online, I always wish to see a video of someone who purchased it already and can tell me how is it, so I don't waste my time and money and efforts to returning the item, if return is even possible. So today I'm gonna solve this problem for you. If you are thinking to buy this purse, just watch this video and I'll tell you everything about it. I ordered my YUZEFI Taco Mini on Zalando. Most of my purses I order them in Zalando because it's very easy to purchase and very easy to return in case if I don't like it. So without further talking, let's open the box. The bag came in this nice cover, so later we can keep our purse in it. And this is a purse. It has very interesting and nice design. Took me a while to understand how does it function. So to open the purse, we need to do this. And the thing is that these straps are very flexible. We can either pull them and make this strap longer or vice versa, and it's gonna be shorter. Also, it helps to open the purse wider. Here we have magnet, which keeps it open and close very easily. And also another way, you can wear bag either this way or take these parts out and wear it this way. Nice, flexible, right? And also the purse has a long strap inside. I already connected it to show you so we don't waste our time connecting it again. To be honest, the strap is a bit too thin in my opinion, because even this strap is thicker and it's not flexible. Like you can't make it shorter or longer, it's just this way. Inside the purse we have one department, and also we have this small card holder where they put us YUZEFI card, and here they're telling that it's handcrafted. And I know that it's London-based brand, and today it's quite famous, if you check their Instagram and if you are in general active on Instagram, I'm sure you saw lots of influencers wearing this bag. Anyway, they have very bold and unusual designs. I am quite a fan, and for a long time I was searching some purse to check it out, but it was a bit hard to find it in Germany. Either the shipping was problematic, either something else. So I'm so glad that in Zalando they finally have it. Unfortunately, they have just few models, and this purse, for example, they just have it in small size. You see, it's quite tiny if you compare it to human scale. This one, for this small size, it's quite useful because a lot of stuff can fit in. For example, iPhone can easily fit in, and small wallet, your headphones, key, but not more than that. Like a small notebook, for example, won't fit. And the good thing about this purse that it can be worn as with your everyday outfit, as with going out, like if you go for a party or to some nice occasion, with a dress and heels. This is what I absolutely love about this purse, besides its interesting geometrical form. Anyway, on the bottom there is nothing, and it's quite minimal. The only thing I would change if I had an option is how they wrote the name. It's just written with ink, and I'm afraid with time it may fade. I would prefer if it were written with metal letters, how Michael Kors, for example, does it. But well, maybe it's just personal preference. Other than that, the material is quite nice, the shape and bendings are quite good, quality-wise, it's amazing purse. So yeah, guys, if you are thinking to purchase it, I would recommend. And yeah, I hope I answered your questions. I hope now it's more clear for you whether buy it or not. And anyway, I wish you to have a successful shopping, and please comment down below what purses you would like me to review next, or maybe something else. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye!